In this word problem, we're talking about how you have paid $45 for a shirt that was discounted 40%. What was the original price of this shirt?
Does the original mean full?
The original does mean the whole amount. Whenever you go shopping, the original non-discounted price is your whole. What you pay is the part. Okay. Now, sometimes you don't get a discount, right? And so your part is 100%. But we're all intelligent people. We've saved money. We've saved our parents money, right, by paying the attention to things. Right, Sam? Right? Yeah. So here's the way I look at this. And I will go to that percent to 100 is equal to part to whole. But I'm going to do things just a little bit differently here. What is the part that I paid?
$45.
I paid $45. What was the whole amount? What was the original amount? You don't know, so that's going to be X, right? That's what you're trying to find out. The percent is where it gets tricky. The part that I paid was $45. What percent of the original was that? Is $45 40% of the original?
Yes.
No.
45 isn't 40% of the original?
No, because that was a shirt that was discounted 40%. So here's the way to look at it. I'm just going to make a little bar over here. Here's 0%, here's 100%, okay? And so this would be the original price of your shirt, full price, okay? We discounted it by 40%, right? Which means we lowered this by 40% to what? So I took off 40%, what am I left with? 60%, right? Does that make sense? When you see discounts, this is the thing that kills me about people trying to do discounts in the store. I don't really care how much the discount is most of the time. I want to know, what do I have to pay? It may say that it's discounted 40%. I don't care. My mind is going to how much do I have to pay. If it's down by 40%, what's the remaining part that I have to pay? 60%. And so in terms of the words, you may think of it like this. $45 is 60% of the original price. Would you all agree with that statement? $45 is 60% of the original price because we took 40% off. Okay? So solve this proportion. When you solve this proportion, what do you get when you do the cross products? I'll give 60x to you for free, I guess. What's on the other side? 4,500. And when you solve this for x by dividing by 60, what did you guys come up with? 75. So that means the original price of the shirt, was $75. Do you agree? Now, let's backtrack here. Let's make sure that everything does work out. What was the discount? What? No. What was the discount? How much was the discount worth? It's 40%, right? So, when you're in the store, I want you to be able to do math here. So, how much am I saving? I'm saving 40% of 75. That means 75 times 0.4. That's 40% of 75. 40% of multiplication, 75. That gives me $30. That tells me my discount is 30. But then if I'm in the store doing this, I then have to do, okay, 75 minus 30 to get my answer, right? Or you could do this. 75 times 0.6 is 45. Okay? Just to add to this, if I tell you something is 70% off, what does that mean? What would you have to pay? What's your part?
30 for 30.
So you pay, now look at this, you pay what? 30% of the list price, or the whole amount. Yes, Dennis? So if you pay 30% of the list price of the whole amount, then you don't have to figure out what is the discount. You just multiply your cost times 0.3. So if I see, oh, this totally cute pair of slippers, these peekaboo shoes, okay, they normally cost me $132. But it's 70% off. I can't say no. So if I take off 70%, that means that my payment's going to be what? Well, that's really 132 times 0.3. So how much are those totally cute shoes you're going to wear one time? $132 times 0.3, and that gives you $39.60. Did I need to figure out my discount? No. I just worry about what is my liability. What do I have to pay for? Right?